Welcome to my Abacus learning channel. From today we are starting multiplication. Hope you know all the techniques about addition and subtraction. Without that you couldn't be able to understand what I am doing with these bits. Let's start from the rules of multiplication on the Abacus. This is the practical method of multiplication. 67 multiplied by 2. 2 is a number to multiply. 67 numbers that can be multiplied equal to, and this is your answer. Before this you must know, or you have to memorize the multiplication table 1 to 9 decimals. We are ready to do multiplication on the Abacus. Rules of multiplication. Rule number 1, we have this question: count all the numbers to multiply and numbers that can be multiplied. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 digits. Just remember that we have 3 digits. Rule number 2, take that counted position to the left side from your marked rod. This is the Abacus. This is my marked rod. Take that counted position 1, 2, 3. We have 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. This is my marked rod 1, 2, 3. And take this position. Put your left hand's pointer finger to that position. This is my left hand and my pointer finger. I'm going to put my pointer finger this position. Rule number 4, that is your new 10th position. But the original 10th position is still here. It won't change. This is a little bit tricky, so let me explain. Rule number 5, you have to place your answer from this rod and move to the right side. Rule number 6, start to multiply from the biggest position. Normally we start to multiply from the smallest digit on the paper, 2, 7, 2, 6. But in the Abacus you have to start multiply from the biggest number or biggest positions, to 6 to 7, and place your answer here. Rule number 7, this is very important. Lots of learners do mistakes at this point and the answer is a very disaster. So after placing answer, rule number 7, after placing answer, move your left hand finger to the right side every time one by one. Means first 6 multiplied by 2, place your answer and move your finger this rod. And next 7 multiplied by 2, place your answer, move your finger. And the last one, we reached at this marked rod, means we finished our multiplication or finished our job, and there is your answer. These are basic rules of multiplications. There are lots of techniques which I am going to explain one by one in every episode. In one episode I'm going to teach you only one technique, so you have to watch every episodes to be mastered on multiplication on the Abacus. So let's start. I have some exercises and some homework for you. Let's do this question first. Count the digits. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 digits. From your marked rod, 1, 2, 3. Take your positions. Put your left side finger. 1, 2, 3. 6 multiplied by 2. Answer is 12. So this is our 10th position. Answer is 1, 2, 12. 6 multiplied by 2. Answer is 12. 1 is 10th position. 2 is first position. You have to place this 1 in this position. 1 and 2. Change your finger. 7 multiplied by 2. Answer is 14. 1, 10th position. 4 is first position. So 1 is here, 4 is here. Change your finger and we reach this marked rod. Answer is 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 134 is your answer. Next question. 72 multiplied by 9. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 7 multiplied by 9. Answer is 60. 3, 6 is 10th position. 3 is first position. 6 in this rod and this rod 3. Change your finger. 2 multiplied by 9. Answer is 1, 8. 18, 1 and 8. 1 in this rod, 8 in this rod. And change your position. We came to this marked rod. Answer is 6, 4, 8. 6, 4, 8. Another question. 43 multiplied by 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 4 multiplied by 8. Answer is 32. 3 is 10th position and 2 is first position. 10th position 3 and this one 2. Next, 3 multiplied by 8. 24. 2 is 10th position and this one is 4. And your answer is 3, 4, 4. Next question. 84 multiplied by 4. Set your abacus. 8 multiplied by 4. Answer is 32. 3 is 10th position. 2 is first position. 1, 2, 3 digits. Take position. 32 and 4 multiplied by 4. 1, 6, 16. And your answer is 3, 3, 6. 3, 3, 6. And last one. 97 multiplied by 5. 9 multiplied by 5. Answer is 45. 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3 digits. 4 and 5. Change your position. 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. 3 here and 5 here. Change your position. We came to this marked rod and your answer is 3, 8 and 5. 3, 8 and 5. I have some homework for you. Please do by yourself, and if you can't solve this, please comment to me. I will definitely help you to solve that. So for watching till the end. See you in the next episode. Next episode will be a new technique. Bye bye.